Online fashion shops promising trendy looks and big discounts are everywhere, but not all are safe. Today, we're taking a closer look at Falorena.com. Is it a legit clothing store or a scam you should avoid? Let's find out. So, Falorena.com presents itself as a global fashion store selling affordable clothes and accessories for men and women. Prices are usually low, and the site looks clean and professional at first glance, with categories like knitwear, dresses, tops, and jackets. That looks tempting, but we need to dig deeper before trusting your money to this shop. Here's what independent site investigations reveal. Very low trust scores. Reputation checkers flag Falorena.com as very low trust, with scores as poor as 0 to 1 out of 100, suggesting significant risk and suspicion around the site. Brand new domain. The website was registered in late 2025, and the ownership info is hidden. Two classic signs of short-lived disposable sites that might disappear quickly. Lack of verifiable reputation. There's no strong third-party customer reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit hauls, YouTube try-ons, or similar trusted platforms, making it impossible to confirm real shopper experience. These factors raise real red flags about reliability and safety. Independent reviews and online reporting consistently point out unrealistically low prices, no physical address or clear business identity, risk of receiving nothing, delayed delivery or poor quality goods, and potential payment security issues. Without reliable contact info or verified performance history, shopping here can be risky. You should absolutely avoid purchasing from Falorena.com if you care about product quality and accurate sizing. You expect real customer service for returns and refunds, want peace of mind with your payment info, and prefer clothing from brands with established reputations. This store simply doesn't meet those basic trust criteria. So is Falorena.com real or fake? It's high risk and not recommended. Multiple trust checks and reviews strongly suggest this fashion site is unverifiable at best and potentially a scam at worst, with realistic chances you receive poor quality products, incorrect deliveries, or nothing at all. Our advice is to stay away. Shop with reputable clothing retailers that have clear customer reviews, transparent contact info, and a proven track record. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.